Shoot when I say so, shoot up, shoot up.
Block away, from the block. Let this shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
Ain't not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get for it, nigga, throw them down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the thread around. They'll chop your head off, they'll do it now. All it take is one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
On the air this beautiful morning and decided to stop by the Walmart instead of waiting till I got back to my side of the original Walmart that I was used to. You know what? I might need to get my card out of the car. I got cash, but I just not there thinking about the card. No, but I might not even need my card. But, you know, on the other note, with that being said, you know, the fuck my card is. The fuck my card is. I know I might get that oil. I know I'm gonna get my oil from Walmart. I know I'm gonna get my oil from Cycle Gear. Or either, I only get it from Cycle Gear. I order my shit. I use normal lube. But in the meantime, on last minute shit, when I need that shit ASAP, I just come to Walmart and I'm gonna show y'all where I be getting. So, while I ain't boned out, let's just hit this motherfucking place right here. Hold up. Wally World. Yep, let's hit Wally World. And get this shit and see what's going on. I get back with y'all soon and we get this shit. Alright, look, this some bullshit. This corona shit gotta give, cause it's too early for this shit. I don't like being up in the morning like that. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't like being up in the morning. I just don't like doing too much shit like this shit. I don't get to the damn door. Every time I gotta turn around and get my mask, and I forgot all about it. I can't be mad at them, cause that's what's really going on. But that's what's really going on in the world today. So I can't be mad. I gotta get me a mag. If I got one of these motherfuckers, shit, I don't need shit. Might be out of last. I look today, goddamn. But yeah, that's that though. Let me find a goddamn mask, man. Yeah, we most definitely gonna get back with y'all. I might have to do this one. Alright, so we in this motherfucker. But I think I'm finna buy my whole nother little power wheel. I like little fire truck they got. And they got little Bronco Jeep looking motherfucker. That shit hard. But they got the Monster Jam too. Get one of my little girls run these. They know that them motherfucker, they got damn airplanes, all type of shit. That's on the, let's look out. In the meantime, between time, we on the oil station too now. In the meantime, between time, we finna find it. All this shit, we finna get up out of here. I ain't got no, today I ain't trying to be on her shopping for other shit. Alright, YouTube, we on the oil aisle. The oil section. Which one do I use? She say mobile one. I use mobile one. But we don't use this one. Excuse me. We use this one. This is on some last minute shit. A dude with the 4 strokes that need oil, that don't got Yama lube, don't know what else to use type of shit. You know, if you got 4 stroke, anytime 4 stroke, you need oil. This is what I use, you know what I'm saying? If I ain't got no, what is called, no, Yama lube. Yeah, this is it. Mobile. Then we got the chopper, then we got the street light. This is how I use this. I don't get too expensive with all this extra shit because that's really not real dirt bike motorcycle oil. I ain't gonna say real motorcycle, but real dirt bike oil. Alright, so some bullshit. We finna go. Let me see. I just walked out of the house with a little bit of money. I ain't gonna say that. I walked out of the house with like a dog. fucked around and then started busting that door down and then fucked around, started busting that door down and then realized I had the amount of money that I had on me, so I ain't got no money on my card, so that's the bullshit. I spent that shit too this morning. So with that being said, we just gonna go ahead, go to the spot, get the little cash, and go to the Walmart buy a spot, and then we're gonna get that oil. But I might come back to this Walmart, because this Walmart here, it got a lot of shit. That's the motion, ain't shit. So anytime, 20 times, like shit coming and subscribe. Yeah, baby, so I will get this, we get this shit. Read back, let's see if they got the oil. There you go, same price. Yep. Let's get this, what we got? Ah, y'all see we bought this shit. We got it. We got it. Never finna got down. Never finna got down. Finna go to the spot. Yeah, we go back to the spot where the bike at. And got down. I love that. We go back to the spot where the bike at and go ahead and put this shit on and shine the oil and shit. Do our shit. And then get back with y'all for alright, we back. Yep, I'm back down here with this bike. You did what I'm saying? We got back down here. It's thirsty to the YZ250. See what's going on? You don't know, you know. It's not a clone, it's the real deal. That's why I put my little original plastic back on, so niggas know, like, hey, this is the goddamn original. You know what I'm saying? I got the original side piece, I got all that shit. This bike, I really switched it and made it blue for those that don't know. And I don't know, you know, I took the other ones out because I fucked around and I cracked it up on the bottom. If y'all know about Dirtbike, you can crack that shit, but this one I ain't cracked, it was still perfect. Just great my shit. But fuck all that. But what we finna do, we finna go ahead, crank this motherfucker up, let it warm up, and then we're gonna take that big ass oil pan. I gotta find the spool to take out these. I mean, not the spool, the tool to take out this shit. And goddamn, yeah, just run that shit out. And boom, open up. So get back with y'all, roll the beat. Crunk up. Oh shit! Damn it, man, damn it. Damn it, man, damn it. Yeah, everybody time for a change. I just got this shit all over my jacket. I made a mess trying to record this shit. Got this shit all over my sleeve. Damn. And on the floor. Everybody time for a oil change. I'm glad it got on the floor, cause now I can really see my shit ain't milking. It just burnt in the motherfucker. But damn, now I gotta clean up. There you go. There you got it. You got the oil tank. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna end this video here. We still outside. There you go, you got the oil tank. I don't know if we're gonna end the video here or am I gonna go jump with the pack. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I might keep this video going. Keep this vlog going. You know what I'm saying? Y'all folks seem to like this shit. And I appreciate the comment. Not the comment. I appreciate all the love and all the support. I really do. Like for real, no key. So, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I don't know. We might keep this motherfucker going. But I know how that little bitch work. When she ain't got no motherfucking oil in her, I ain't gonna say no oil, no fresh oil. She don't be wanting to crank up right. But when you put that fresh oil in that motherfucker down, hey man, you gonna crank up on the first shit every time. First shit. But yeah, that's the motion though. So we're gonna get back with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't really get deep into detail on the oil shit either. You know what I'm saying? How to change the oil shit, because it was just I woke up on the blog. So if y'all want me to make a video on actually how to change the oil, for most of the people that know about bikes, we got a few familiar concept with this shit. You know, y'all can kind of put it 2 and 2 together on what I was doing. But if y'all want me to make, like I say, it's like get deeper into details on how to do certain shit, you know, people come in, let me know. I might would, but I got the fucking, that's why I'm a shirt like this. My hoodie, cause I got oil on my shit trying to record and shit. But yeah, just leave a comment, let me know if y'all want me to do that. We'll get more camera equipment on the way, you know, put them on the way. I got kids, I got babies. Gotta make sure they straight first. So in the meantime, between time, like, comment, share, and subscribe. But like I say, I don't know if we're gonna end this video right here, but if we do, hey man, stay tuned for the next one. The next one gonna be lit, you feel me? Or if we don't, hey, stay tuned and hey, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We finna get lit. What's up, YouTube? We back with another one. Hey man, the same video for earlier, or same video. We just been getting the pack. I'm finna get y'all some footage of the pack. You know, I can't leave y'all without putting some work in for the day. It's still a sunny day. We finna pop out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, so you know what I'm saying? Bike warming up right now. I'm waiting on my little brother Brandy. He finna pull up on 2-stroke Bam Bam Young Prince. You did what I'm saying? Yeah, young for the king coming for y'all 125 hills, no cap. He's banging that beat too. But yeah, you feel me? But yeah, we finna get out and pop out shit. And I'm most definitely get y'all when he pull up and then shit and what's next, man? Then when we get with the pack, we're gonna link up with the rest of the pack, and then we're gonna link up with the rest of the pack. Then we're gonna link up with the rest of the pack. They finna pop out shit. This shit, we outside. Y'all see what's going on. Got my little brother outside who I'm waiting on. Got him with me. We got the KT8, got KT Young gang. What is it? K8 gang. Yeah, you see what's going on. Yeah. And we got that KTM motherfucker 2-stroke Bam Bam. Yes, sir. Drip, how you want to do it? That
250?
That's 250, bro? Hey, bro. Oh, he got things.
250. Yeah.
Okay, that be clean too, crispy.
2020?
2020, motherfucker. Yeah, I see what's going on. You dripping with it too, though. No cap. Ready to race. But we ain't racing. We ain't racing. We willing. Yeah, see, we got down the brakes. We're finna fill up. Yeah, that's what's going on. K8 boy right now. That's the track museum. They ain't go to Oakland City. Got my little bro. Back. Gonna go pop out shit. Okay, got them 2 strokes outside tonight. Crank that bitch up. Crank it. That bitch so quiet. That bitch so quiet. Crank it up enough.
I don't run Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she roll a penny down. I got killer young niggas with the thread around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.